Hi, this is Wachobi. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Seiko Prospex Fieldmaster SBDC011. I was trying to search for this watch high and low, and this is one of the only field watches under the Fieldmaster series that has a tuna casing. As you can see, very simple box, just enough to fit in the watch itself. The watch itself, as I said, is tuna, and it comes with a very interesting leather strap, as you can see here. Compass bezel, that means it's bi-directional. But what's interesting is at the back of the watch. It is a series of graphics for you to message ground to air. Very interesting. Anyway, there's a link in the description below, and you can actually go to the full written review about this watch. Do visit it. Anyway, thank you for viewing.